Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Hello! Today's lesson is about body parts. I'm going to introduce vocabularies related to body parts, and I changed the color of the vocabularies which are important for JLPT learners. If you're studying for JLPT, please make use of it. If you're not, just forget about it. それでは頑張れ、let's go! First, I'm going to introduce the vocabularies related to face. Face is 顔 in Japanese. 顔. Hair is 髪 in Japanese. 髪. Bang is called 前髪 in Japanese. 前髪. You put the kanji 前, which means front, in front of 髪. Nose is 鼻 in Japanese. 鼻. Nosebleed is called 鼻血. You put 血, which is blood, after 鼻. Tooth is 歯 in Japanese. 歯. Skin is 肌 in Japanese. 肌. Eyelash is まつげ in Japanese. まつげ. Eyebrow is 眉毛 in Japanese. 眉毛. Lip is 唇 in Japanese. 唇. Cheek is 頬 in Japanese. 頬. If you want to say it casual, it will be ほっぺ. ほっぺ. Next, I'm going to introduce the vocabularies related to body. Body is 体 in Japanese. 体. Head is 頭 in Japanese. 頭. Throat is 喉 in Japanese. 喉. Hand is 手 in Japanese. 手. Foot is 足 in Japanese. 足. Chest is 胸 in Japanese. 胸. Stomach is お腹 in Japanese. お腹. Neck is 首 in Japanese. 首. Wrist is called 手首, which literally means the neck of the hand, and ankle is called 足首, which literally means the neck of the foot. Knee is 膝 in Japanese. 膝. Elbow is 肘 in Japanese. 肘. Arm is 腕 in Japanese. 腕. Leg is 足 in Japanese. 足. The sound of foot and leg is the same. We use the same 足, and when we write, we differentiate it by using different kanjis. But when we are having a conversation, we tell the difference by the context. Shoulder is 肩 in Japanese. 肩. Finger is 指 in Japanese. 指. Thigh is もも in Japanese. もも. Calf is ふくらはぎ in Japanese. ふくらはぎ. Belly button is おへそ in Japanese. おへそ. Armpit is 脇 in Japanese. 脇. Back is 背中 in Japanese. 背中. Butt is お尻 in Japanese. お尻. Alright, so that's the end of today's lesson. Thank you very much for watching. And if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so see you on the next lesson. Goodbye!